Hi, welcome to Forbest Academy. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use calculus and the product rule to differentiate an equation which is made up of two different functions. So let's begin. I have on the board the product rule written out, where y is equal to uv, dy dx is equal to u, dv dx plus v du dx. So for the question I'm going to do is y is equal to x ex. So as you can see, y is made up of two functions, x and ex. So I'm going to replace x with u and ex with v. Now I just differentiate these with respect to x. X differentiated is 1. And v, or ex, differentiated with respect to x, stays the same. It is ex. Now all that's left is to substitute them into this formula here. So u is x, and dv dx is ex, and then I add v, which is ex, and I multiply that by du dx, which is 1. Now I can simplify this by factorizing out the ex. So e to the x, I'll open some brackets. The first term needs to be multiplied by x, and the second term needs to be multiplied by 1. So the derivative of x e to the power of x is e to the power of x, open bracket, x plus 1. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel.